We shall move on with the next topic, modulo k counter problems. So here the first two basic problems I'll tell you. So the first one is draw a DFA to accept strings of even number of A's. Okay, even number of A's. So what will be the base condition? So initially I'll be considering epsilon, then I'll have 2 A's, then 4 A's, 6 A's, 8 A's, and then so on. So initially epsilon is also accepted. So based on this we shall draw one DFA now. So DFA here is start. I'll take one state Q naught. Okay, I'll take a state Q naught. Since epsilon is accepted, so this state itself can become the final state. So this state itself can become the final state. Okay, next base condition is I can accept 2 A's. Okay, so from Q naught I should have one outgoing A. So if I loop here, what happens? It can be any number of A's. So I'll take one more state Q1. I'll take a state Q1. I'll give the transition like this. That is with respect to A. So from Q naught I got one single A. I'll move back to Q naught. So from Q1 I'll read one more A. Okay, so my next base condition is satisfied. So epsilon is done. Next is A. So it is the accepting state, so it is done. So next 4 A's. So we shall consider 1A, 2A, 3A, and then 4A. So 4 A's are done. Next, if I go on like this, next rotation, so it will be 6. Next it will be 8. So it will run for even number of times. So how to write it for odd number of A's? So odd number of A's, transition will remain the same. So what is the difference? Instead of this being the final state, this will become the final state. That is, so here initial condition is single A. Okay, this is the initial condition, single A. Then I can have odd numbers, 3 A's, and then 5 A's, 7 A's, and then so on. So I'll take start. So I'll take a state here as Q naught. So my base condition is 1A. So I'll go to next state Q1. So I will read 1A. So I have read 1A. So this becomes the basic condition. So this becomes the final state. So I need to have one outgoing A from Q1 also. So what I'll do, I'll just get it back to Q naught. That is, for any string to be accepted, it should start from start and it should end in the final state. So here 1A is done. So if I run for one more time, 1A, 2A, 3A. So accepting state. Next once again 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, and then 5A. So it goes on. Okay, so this is the DFA for odd number of A's. So we shall go for the next problem now, mod counter problems. Okay, so here the same problem is written in 3 different ways. Okay, the same problem is written in 3 different ways. So we shall solve this. So what is this? W is a string. Okay, according to my language, it accepts a string. What kind of string it is? The length of the string, okay, whatever string you have taken here, the length of that particular string mod 3 should be 0. Okay, the length of that particular string mod 3 should be 0. So what are the alphabets considered? Alphabet considered is only A. Okay, alphabet considered is only A. So what are the different things where you will be getting 0 as the answer? Okay, so length of the string, I'll start from 0. So what is 0 mod 3? Okay, 0 mod 3 is 0. Okay, next 1 mod 3 is 1. 2 mod 3 is 2. What about 3 mod 3? 3 mod 3 is once again 0. So 0 mod 3 is 0. Next I got 3 mod 3. 3 mod 3 is 0. Then 4 mod 3 is 1. 5 mod 3 is 2. 6 mod 3 is once again 0. Next it will be 9 mod 3 equal to 0. So it goes on. Okay, so these are the different conditions. So this is the other way it's written here. So what is the length of the string? Number of characters, okay, in that string are divisible by 3. Okay, the number of characters, so it is a, number of a's are divisible by 3, that is multiples of 3. So 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so on. So this is one more way of writing. Okay, so these are the different conditions. So what is the base condition here? Base condition is 0. So what does 0 mean? 0 is nothing but epsilon. Okay, 0 is nothing but epsilon. What is the next base condition? The next base condition is 3. So we shall write one DFA with respect to this such that it satisfies for all other conditions, that is all other values that is divisible by 3. So I'll write start. So 0, epsilon should be accepted. So what happens? My first value, first state itself becomes the final state. First state itself becomes the final state. So epsilon is done. So this is the final state, right? So next it is 3. Okay, next value is 3. That is 3 A's I should read in one order. 3 A's I should read in order. So Q0, I'll read 1A. I'll go to Q1. Next I will read one more A. I will go to Q2. Okay. So 3 A's, right? So if I read one more A, I will go to Q3. So 3 A's are accepted. But I will draw it in such a way that it should accept for all other conditions. So this is not K counter problem. So what I'll do is after 2 A's, my third A, I'll get it back to Q2. Okay, my third A, I will get it back to Q2. So you can see here 1A, 2A, 3A. Next, if I want to come to accepting state again, it will be 4A, 5A, 6A. So you can see that no matter how many times you traverse, you should traverse through 3 A's. So this will be the solution. Okay. So we shall go for the next problem. So what is the difference between this problem and the previous problem? So the length of the string should be length of the string mod 3 is equal to 0. So here alphabet is just A. What about here? Here they have taken A and B. Okay, so two different things they have taken. That is initially it will be 0. That is epsilon. Okay. Next it is 3. Okay, 3. So when I considered here, okay, it was only A, right? It was only A. So my combination will be A. For next 6, it will be 6 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But since here I have A, B, it is a combination. So I can have A, or I can have B, or I can have A, B, so on. So they have not told specifically how many A's and how many B's. The length should be 3. That's it. So what we shall do? The same DFA, that is start. So the first state itself is the final state since I have 0. Okay. And then I'll go to next state Q1. So here I can have any combinations. So I can either have A or I can have B. Okay. So when you write like this, please remember, so when you move from one state to another state at a time, it can be either A or it will read B. Okay, it will either read A or it will read B. It will not read both at the same time. For the next run, for the next transition, once again, either A or B. It can be anything. So from Q1, I'll go to next state, that is Q2. So either A or B. So from Q2, I'll come back to Q0. From Q2, I'll come back to Q0. So once again, it is either A or B. So this is the DFA with respect to A and B for mod 3 equal to 0. The next problem, draw a DFA to accept the following language such that I have two questions. So first I'll solve the first one. So here my alphabet consists of only A. Okay. So what is the condition that is given? So in my language, so I have taken two different things. Okay. So with respect to A, combination will be with respect to A itself. So length of string mod 3 should be greater than length of string mod 2. Okay. So this is a different type of problem. The solving procedure is also different compared to whatever you have solved before. Okay. So I'll tell you the procedure. Once you understand one problem, for all such problems you can apply the same thing. Okay. So first I'll consider mod 3. Okay, mod 3. So mod 3, so I'll simply take it as Q1. Okay, I'm just giving a name. Okay, so what are the different remainders that you can have? So with respect to mod 3, when I do something mod 3, what are the different possibilities that you can get? So I can get either 0, or I can get 1, or I can get 2. So next if I read 3, once again it becomes 0. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 repeats. So this is with respect to mod 3. So what about mod 2? So with respect to mod 2, I'll name it as Q2. So for mod 3 possibility is 0, 1, 2. So what is the possibility with respect to mod 2? It is 0 and then 1. Okay, it is 0 and then 1. Now I'll write different possibilities with respect to Q1 and Q2. So Q1 cross Q2. That is mod 3 cross mod 2. So what are the different combinations that I can have? So I will just take the combination of with respect to these two. My first combination will be 0 and 0. Okay. My next combination will be 0, 0 is done, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. My next combination will be 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. My next combination will be 2, 0, 2, 1. 2, 0 and then 2, 1. Okay. So these are the different combinations that I can have. So the first number that I have written is with respect to mod 3. The next number that I have written is with respect to mod 2. So what is given in the question? It is given that the length of mod 3 should be greater than the length of mod 2. That is, first number should be greater than or equal to the second one. So 0 is greater than or equal to 0. So this is accepted. Next, 0 is not greater than or equal to 1. So this is neglected. Next, 1 is greater than or equal to 0. 1 is greater than or equal to 1. 2 is greater than or equal to 0. 2 is greater than or equal to 1. So out of 6 combinations, 5 combinations are accepted. 1 combination is invalid. Okay. So once you are done with this, you have to rearrange this and write. Okay, you have to rearrange this. F is equal to, you have to rearrange and write. How to rearrange this and write? Okay, so the simplest way I will tell you to write this. So I have 3 things, right? So one is with respect to mod 3. One more is with respect to mod 2. Okay, so I'll take numbers continuously. That is 0 mod 3. What is 0 mod 3? 0 mod 3 is 0. 0 mod 2 is 0. Next, 1 mod 3 is 0. 1 mod 2 is, 1 mod 3 is 1. 1 mod 3 is 1. 1 mod 2 is 1. Next, 2 mod 3. What is 2 mod 3? 2 mod 3 is 2. So here next what should I have? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2. 2 mod 2. What is 2 mod 2? 2 mod 2 is 0. So you should know what is modulus. Okay. Next 3. 3 mod 3 is 0. 3 mod 2 is 1. Next 4 mod 3 is 1, 4 mod 2 is 0. Next 5 mod 3 is 2, 5 mod 2 is 1. Next 6 mod 3 is 0, 6 mod 2 is 0. Okay, so it goes on like this. So now you can see the combination here. So it was 0 0, 1 1, 2 0, 0 1, 1 0, 2 1, and once again 0 0. So the combination that you got in the beginning, you got it here. So if I proceed now, supposing that I'll take one more, 7 mod 3. So 7 mod 3 is 1, 7 mod 2 is also 1. So you can see the combination 1 1, 1 1 repeated. So after this, whatever you write, the same combination will repeat. So based on this combination, you have to write here. Okay. So what is the first combination? 0 and 0, right? So first combination will be 0 comma 0. What is the next combination? 1 and 1. So next combination will be 1 1. What is the next combination? 2 0. So next combination will be 2 0. Next combination is 0 1, 0 1. Next combination is 1 0, 1 0. Next combination is 2 1, 2 1. Next combination is 0 0, which you have already written. 1 1 is already written. So next all the combinations will be repeated. So these 6 states, whatever you got here, the same 6 things you have here. Okay, only you have reshuffled the order. So out of this, which is not accepted, 0 1, 0 1, this is not accepted. Next, rest everything is accepted. So based on this, you have to write one DFA now. Okay, based on this, you have to write DFA. So how many states you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you have altogether 6 states. Out of 6 states, how many states are true? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 states. So which is how many invalid states you have? 1 invalid state you have. So while drawing a DFA, these 5 states will be the accepting state. Okay, these 5 will be the accepting state and this will be the normal state. So I'll tell you how to draw. So simply write start, take the first state Q0. Okay, I have only one alphabet A. So I have 6 states, right? One state is done. Second state. Third state. Fourth state. Fifth state. And then sixth state. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. So I have an outgoing A till here. Since it is mod K counter problem, so outgoing A from Q5 will come back to Q0. Okay, it will come back to Q0. So what are these? Q0, Q1, Q2, so on. So what is the first thing here? 0 0, right? 0 0. So this Q0 here will be 0 comma 0. What about the next one? It is 1 1. So this is 1 comma 1. Q2 will be 2 comma 0. Q3 will be 0 comma 1. Q4 will be 1 comma 0. Q5 will be 2 comma 1. So these are the 6 different states. Out of that 5 states are accepted. So everything is accepted except 0 1. So 0 1 will not be the final state. Rest everything is the final state. This is the final state. This is the final state. This one is the final state. 0, 1 is not a final state. 1, 0 is a final state. And Q5 is a final state. Okay. So this is a DFA. So this is a DFA for the given question. So for the same question, so here it is given only A, right? Only A. So if the problem statement remains the same, and if here it is A comma B, okay, here if it is A comma B, it means that the length and all remains the same, only the combinations of A and B you can have. That time the DFA here remains the same. Okay, DFA here remains the same. The only thing is, instead of writing only A, you have to write A comma B, 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 and then A comma B. So this is the DFA for this particular question. Okay, mod 3 greater than mod 2. So now you have next question, that is B. So it is similar. Okay, similar to previous problem itself. So what is the only difference? The only difference is, here I had taken greater than or equal. Here you have to take not equal. Okay, here it is greater than or equal, but here it is not equal. So we shall see the next problem. Okay, the next problem. So what happens here? Mod 3 is not equal to mod 2. So once again same thing. Mod 3 I will take it as Q1. Different possibilities are 0, 1, 2. For mod 2, different possibilities are 0, 1. I'll write different combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Okay, I have written different combinations. So what are the accepting states here? Mod 3 not equal to mod 2. Okay, mod 3 is not equal to mod 2. So what about this? 0 is equal to 0. So this is not accepted. 0 is not equal to 1. True. 1 is not equal to 0. True. 1 is equal to 1. So this is not accepted. 2 is not equal to 0 and 2 is not equal to 1. So here 4 are accepting states. So I have to rearrange this and write. So how to rearrange this? Like previous problem itself, different mod possibilities you consider. So while considering that, you will get the order as 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 2, 1. So what is not accepted? These two things are not accepted. So I have 6 states here, 6 states. So out of 6 states, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are accepting states. 2 are the normal states where the transition continues. So we shall draw a DFA for this. 6 states I need to have. So I'll start. I'll take the first state, Q0. So here also alphabet considered is only A. So I'll take A, Q1, A, Q2, A, Q3, A, Q4, A, Q5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 states are done. So from the final state, I'll get it back to Q0. That is A. So which are, and write the states here. So this is 0, 0. This is 1, 1. This is 2, 0. 0, 1. 1, 0. And then 2, 1. So here these two are not accepting states. Rest are accepting states. So these are the final states. Okay, so you're done with the DFA. So once again in the same question, now I have only A. If they ask B, A and B, the diagram remains the same. So instead of A, write A comma B, A comma B, so on. So this is an example of mod 3 and mod 2. Okay, mod 3 and mod 2. So in case if mod 5 is asked, then what happens? So if mod 5 is asked, then it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then according to the question, proceed. Okay, so I'll just tell you how to write with respect to mod 5. So length of the string mod 5 should not be equal to 0. Okay, no other conditions are given, they have just specified this. Okay, so what you need to do, mod 5. So I will not name anything because only one condition is given. So what are the different possibilities you have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the 4 possibilities. They are not comparing this with anything else, so you don't have the combinations also. Directly this one you have to match with this. So mod 5 not equal to 0. So mod 5 it is equal to 0. So mod 5 not equal to 0. Okay, mod 5 2 is not equal to 0. Mod 3 is not equal to 0. 4 is not equal to 0. So not equal to 0, these are the conditions. So this is equal to 0, this is not accepted. So I need not rearrange anything because I have only a single condition here. So directly I'll write the states. I'll write start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need 5 states. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. 5 states are done. Only A I have A, 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 A. So from last state I'll come back to Q0. So it is A. So which are the accepting states here? Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 are accepting states. So this is with respect to 0. This is with respect to 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So 1, 2, 3 and then 4 becomes the final state. So this is the DFA.